Start by preparing the subfloor until it is perfectly flat, clean, dry, and structurally sound before laying a single tile. For a professional finish when fitting floor tiles in a laundry room, begin by checking for level across the entire area using a long straight edge and a 5mm feeler gauge or thicker shim if needed, and repair depressions with a cementitious underlayment feathered out to a minimum thickness recommended by the manufacturer. Measure and mark the room center lines. Dry fit tiles without adhesive to establish the optimal starting point and balanced edge cuts, and label each tile and its intended position so you do not lose the layout. Select the correct mortar for the tile size and subfloor type, mix to a creamy but not soupy consistency, and only mix what you can use within the pot life to avoid slump or skinning. Use a notch trowel with the notch size matched to the tile backing and apply back buttering on large format tiles to ensure full coverage and 3/4 inch combed rib contact. Insert consistent spacers at each corner for uniform grout joints, check alignment with a 2-meter level and a straight edge every 10 to 12 tiles, and adjust quickly while the mortar is still plastic. After initial set, remove spacers and grout with a flexible cement-based grout. Wipe with a damp sponge using circular motions, and seal grout lines once fully cured to resist detergent and moisture commonly present in laundry rooms. Most beginners fail to correct an uneven subfloor and then blame tiles for cracking. Measure, mark low spots, and apply a leveling compound to restore flatness before tiling. People often rush the layout and cut irregular edge tiles on the fly, which results in lopsided borders. Dry fit, label, and score all perimeter cuts, then trim and test fit before adhesive. Another common issue is inadequate mortar coverage under large tiles, which leads to hollow spots and breakage. Use back buttering and check coverage by lifting 1 or 2 tiles after initial placement to confirm full bedding and adjust technique accordingly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for professional laundry room tile results with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users share tips and project photos. We help contractors find work by allowing them to showcase projects and engage directly with homeowners and peers.